Hi, I'm Laurent, founder and CEO of Edge Overland. And now I want to show you how you close up your Explore One rooftop tent. As you can see, we have it open here. So first step, we go up the ladder and we open up the tent like so. First, we remove the shoe holder from whichever part it has been put onto, and we put it inside of the tent. If you want, you can also open up the mosquito nets and the windows on each side, like so. And you would also unhook the interior material in case, let's say, it has been gathered up here. And you put it nicely into the inside. Now, your next step is to actually remove the poles. First, I will start with the side. Basically, you can start with any side you want. You unhook it, you remove the pole. On this side, you do the same exact thing. Unhook and remove the pole. And here on front, you will see it even better. I unhook it and just pull out the pole. Unhook it and pull out the pole. Now that we have the poles, we had this little holder that was supplied together with the tent. And I will just put in these inside of the holder for safekeeping. Next, we will take this elastic, unhook it from the sides, and pull it on top of the rain fly, like so. This is to help the rain fly close properly and help you close the tent more easily. So you just push this in. And because I'm already here, I will just grab my handle that I will use to close everything up. So now I just come down a bit and I just pull the tent easily down towards me. As you can see, this stops at a certain point. It will no longer raise up. And now what I need to do is get off the ladder and just push in the extra material that you see here on the side, like so. I will do the same exact thing also on the other side, only here I have the awning at the moment on the tent, so I need to help it to get up. I make sure also in the front everything is neatly inside and that the lid closes easily. As you can see, I'm not forcing it to close. It closes really easily. So now I just pull it down and push this into position. Same I do on the other side. I pull the tent a bit down, like this, and I push this into position. And basically, your tent is now fully closed. Last thing is the ladder. You take it from the bottom, push the buttons in, and just gather it up like this. And then you take this Velcro and just close it up with the Velcro so it doesn't open up in your car, and you put it inside of the car. And that's pretty much it. Like in a minute, at most 2 minutes, you have your whole camp gathered up and you're ready to go. Happy camping.